these first projects, the World Wildlife Fund has continued to take giant steps forward in reversing the damage we have done to our environment. Through its work around the globe, the World Wildlife Fund has made an extensive change in both society and the animal kingdom. In the year 2014, the World Wildlife Fund was focused on making significant impact in our forests, oceans, freshwater, wildlife, food, and climate. It has evolved from focusing solely on species to looking at larger global threats. And the protection plans that it has set in place offer saving grace for many animals and people that are facing destruction. As stated in the article 10 World Wildlife Fund Success Stories of 2014, the government of Brazil, working in partnership with WWF and other stakeholders, turned an expansive Brazilian rainforest larger than all of the U.S. national parks combined into a combination of sustainable use and strict protected areas. The author also states that this is the home to 1 in 10 known species and provides a home for 30 million people. So protecting this area not only allows us to stabilize our planet's climate, but it guarantees a safe place for incredible biodiversity. In the same year, the government also led a global campaign to help fight wildlife crime and convinced the U.S. government to aid with the National Strategy for Combating Wildlife Trafficking. 46 countries signed on to take the necessary measures to prevent this tragedy. This will help with the decline in lemur, leopard, turtle, and elephant populations. The World Wildlife Fund is also making changes in the human world as well, which is evidenced in Louise Glue's research on the social impacts of conservation in her 2014 article, Dance-Worthy Statistics. So Louise went to study the ecological implications of locally managed conservancies, but she said what she was startled to find is that there were many social changes as well that had taken place in these areas. She learned that the communities who were usually burdened with cattle rustling and highway banditry were being protected by the game scouts who were primarily there to watch over the protected wildlife. The citizens felt safer and started to sleep better at night. And this proves that conservation also has a positive impact on societies.